You're pushing out awesome content piece after piece, but your organic traffic, it's just flat. Something is silently sabotaging your hard work. And the culprit can be very basic, like orphan pages. What exactly is an orphan page? It's a page on your website that no other pages interlinks to. Think of it like this forgotten island. It exists, but nothing leads to it. So what's the big deal? It turns out these pages can cause serious structural damage. It holds down your overall ranking. It can hurt your AI presence too. Okay, now we know they are bad, but how do we find them? It's actually super easy with LinkBoss. It shows all your orphans in a nice organized list. Once you've found them, you have 4 moves. You can add interlink to it or redirect and merge the page, or no index it or just delete it. Let's first see how you can interlink those pages super fast. First, navigate to the Bulk 2.0 tool and click the New Bulk button. Before we begin, I strongly recommend taking a backup. This allows you to revert your changes if anything goes wrong during the bulk process. At the top of the interface, you will see a detailed explanation of how this tool creates links. This tool doesn't just insert random links. Instead, it finds the most semantically relevant paragraph for your target topic, then adds 2 or 3 new contextual sentences, which naturally contain NLP-optimized anchor text. Here you can see some examples of how links are inserted. Now let's get to work. You can paste URLs manually if you want. I'm going to fetch and import orphan URLs from one category. Now click Submit to finish import. Next, we need to configure the filters to make sure each orphan page receives at least 1 interlink. You can set the max inbound links per page to a minimum of 1 and max outbound links per page to 10. Change the number as you need. You can also allow or disallow reciprocal links. Now click Suggest Links. You will notice we are only getting 23 suggested link pairs. This means not all 43 orphan pages are receiving links yet. They are being filtered out because the current semantic similarity threshold is too strict. Click the Visualize button to see which pages are still orphaned. If this happens, we need to reduce the minimum semantic similarity score. Keep lowering it until you see suggestions for all 43 orphan pages. Now click here to select all. Before we proceed, check the Skip Paragraph option. It's useful if you want to avoid placing links in your first few paragraphs. Once you're satisfied with the link suggestions, click on Create Links. Now we wait for the bulk linking process to complete. You can manually refresh a few moments later to check if it's done. Once finished, click on any source URL from the results. You'll see the newly added link text highlighted on the page, showing you exactly where the internal link was inserted. And that's it. You've just fixed all those orphan pages super fast. Just imagine how much time it would take if you were doing it manually. You should regularly check LinkBoss Report to catch orphan pages before they harm your ranking. Don't let it ruin your hard work.